Nigerian stocks versus US stocks. All right, let's get into this because this is actually very, very juicy. You see, for the past 5 years, the US stocks has been seen to actually do better than the Nigerian stock. And it's only recently, and by recently, I mean in 2025, that the Nigerian market beat the US market. Nigerian market delivered a 51% gain. A 51% gain as compared to the US market that only delivered 17% gain. Can you imagine that? This is your 1 million naira is worth 1.5 million. Your 100 million naira is 150 million naira if invested in the Nigerian stock market as of 2025. Now, the numbers don't lie, but this is way beyond the gain. So I'm going to be evaluating the Nigerian stock market and the US stock market. But what are the risks? What are the pros? What are the consequences? And as a newbie investor, what are you going to take home? Why would you invest in the Nigerian stock market over the US stock market? And as an experienced investor, why would you keep investing in the US stock market over the Nigerian stock market? Let's get into it. So first off, we need to know that the Nigerian stock market is still a baby. Have you heard of the word upcoming artists? Yes, we are upcoming. We are considered the emerging market. We just they come. Meanwhile, the US stock market, they are the OGs. They've crystallized, they've stabilized. We've really got nothing much on them apart from Donald Trump. Side joke. So, right, emerging markets, currency risk, global markets, dollar denominated. Then the second thing you need to note about the Nigerian stock market is policy uncertainty and governance risk. You could all agree with me that one of the crash that this Nigerian stock market has experienced, if not the only crash, is the 2008 market crash. And because of that, millennials are still reluctant to invest in the Nigerian stock market based on what happened back then. Because back then, there were bank stocks, new stocks being listed on the stock market. People could buy stocks on the stock market. But after the crash, so many companies were delisted. So many companies closed their doors and never opened them again. And out of the fear, people that invested money with them had no way to trace their money or even recover the funds they invested. So because of this, people that invested 10 million, 20 million in the stock market back in 2008 and could not recover a single dime cannot or find it hard to invest in the Nigerian stock market. And why is that so? You will still agree with me that over the past years, multinationals have been leaving the shores of Nigeria. Why? Due to uncertainty in the government. Because of that risk, most companies find it too high a risk to take to still be in the stock market, and hence they leave. It is hard to do business in that country. When it's hard to do business in that country, the stock market could get delisted, could get acquired through merger and acquisition or some other thing, and you as an investor will not get to profit from the stock which you have projected that maybe in 5 years, 10 years you get your money back. All right. Meanwhile, in the US stock market, they have stronger regulations and stability. US policies are in favorable conditions for companies that are doing real big business. Coming to dividends, the Nigerian stock market is known to pay good dividends, although not frequently as compared to the US stock market. Most companies in the US stock market that pays dividend, right, they pay quarterly. Very few pay monthly, and some do not pay at all, although it's not the most. But meanwhile, in the Nigerian stock market, they only pay twice a year or even once a year, not quarterly. But even at that, there are still good companies that pay reasonably well compared to other US companies. And I'll give you a very beautiful example. Unilever. If you do a 1 year growth, it is minus 19%. If you do the same Unilever, 1 year growth is 300%. If you do the same Unilever, 6 months growth is 133%. Unilever. Meanwhile, Unilever in 6 months in the US stock market is minus 15%. So you can clearly see that it is easier for a Nigerian stock to move faster than a US stock. It's easier for a Nigerian stock to move from $100 to $170 in 6 months than it is for a US stock to move from $100 to $170. I'm saying it's easier for a Nigerian stock to move from $100 to $170 than for a US stock to move from $80 to $100. Why? Because the market is stable. Meanwhile, the Nigerian market is volatile and it is appreciating steadily. Now, another thing we also need to look at is what liquidity risk. In the Nigerian stock market, we have low liquidity. If someone comes to me and says, I want to invest 1 billion in a particular stock, I will be scared for the person. Why? Because in some certain stocks don't have liquidity. Some have high liquidity, some but very few, while most of them have very low liquidity. Meaning that if you want to sell out your stock, you may not see a buyer, or you may see buyers, but your order may not be complete and as such on hold. Liquidity. What is liquidity? What does liquidity mean in the market? Liquidity is simply referring to how quickly and easily you can buy and sell shares of a stock without causing a drastic change in the stock price. If you bring in 1 billion naira to invest in the Nigerian stock market, we don't have that much liquidity to accommodate it for the stock price not to move. Meanwhile, 1 billion naira in the US stock market is change. It's change. So liquidity is how quickly people buy and sell the stocks. So Nigerian market have low liquidity, while the US market has high liquidity and can accommodate high volumes, can accommodate high amounts invested. The US stock is basically for long-term wealth preservation and dollar-denominated returns. So if you're looking to preserve your wealth, if you're looking to just keep the money afloat and let it be appreciating steadily, the US market is for you. But if you're looking for quick, sharp gains, short term, high risk, the Nigerian market is for you. So for me as an investor, right, what I do is, if I want to invest for the long term, and I know that this one I'm not going to touch it for the next 5 to 10 years, and I want it to be safe and sound, being that regardless of what the naira to dollar exchange rate is, I want to save and sound, I will invest in a US stock. But if I want to double my money, no. If I want to grow my money faster, all right, I'll invest it in the Nigerian stock. And remember, it's not all Nigerian stocks that can help you grow your money faster. There are stocks that has not moved for the past 1 year, for the past 3 years. In fact, example is Total Energies. That stock has been like that for the past 3 years. Another stock that has been like that for 1 year is Sterling stock. It has not moved. So not all stocks can provide you that rapid gains, which is why you need to have the eagle's eye to understand how to analyze these stocks yourself, how to know which company to buy and which one to forgo. And then when you're looking at stocks to buy, you also have to look at companies that will not experience merger and acquisition, will not be delisted, are always compliant to the NGX regulations. These are the things you need to look out for when you are buying Nigerian stock, as opposed to when you're investing in US stock market. Don't get me wrong, US stock market, there are stocks that do get delisted, right? But for the Nigerian stock market, is more. The US stock market has over 3,000 stocks, when the Nigerian stock market has over, I think, 170 stocks in the exchange. So we just have very few stocks to move around. So let me know in the comment section, which would you be going for? Which is better in your portfolio? For me, my portfolio, the Nigerian stock market has given me amazing returns. I've been receiving dividends back to back. Meanwhile, my US stock portfolio is just doing like this, slow and steady, wins to risk. And this is not to say This is not to say that this is how the market has been. The US stock market has been doing very well as opposed to the Nigerian stock market. The Nigerian stock market just recently did 51% year to date gain as 2025 market performance, as compared to the US stock market that only did 17% in the whole of 2025. The market only did 17%. I hope you understand the pros and cons of investing in these two stocks. Let me know which one you'll be going for and which one suits your personality as an investor. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Crystal Cares. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe to follow this channel for more real investment updates.